everyone, it's Sanu again, your IKEA enthusiast. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be sharing what to buy from IKEA in 2024, focusing on handy kitchen gadgets, storage solutions, and home decor items.
I'll keep it brief and to the point, so make sure to stick around. I'll probably cover about 30 items, so let's dive right in. First up is this peeler. Not only is the design fantastic, but it also has an excellent cutting edge and is dishwasher safe, and it's incredibly affordable, which is great. Next, we have a set of 2 tongs. Currently, they're only available in black, but they're great for mixing or even spreading meat before frying. I got a tip in the comments that because they're not metal, they're less likely to tear the meat, making them super handy. I can't live without these. Moving on, many of you recommended this knife. IKEA sells a bunch of knives, but I've been loving the IKEA 365 Plus series. Its one piece looks cool and cuts well and has a nice weight. A professional in the food and beverage industry advised me that if you're going to buy a cheap knife, I recommend buying it at IKEA. I use it all the time. Next, I will introduce this tableware. Many of you might already have these. What's great about them is not just their affordability, but how they don't take up much space when stacked. They're especially popular among those starting to live on their own. Then, we have these coasters. IKEA has various coasters, but these cork ones with edges are also great as small trays. They're new and made of bamboo, which looks cute. Using coasters means no water rings on your table, making cleanup a breeze. I've been using these cork coasters for a while and they're starting to show wear, but they're still going strong. They do feel a bit like consumables though. Next, we present a set of 2 wooden trays. This is the larger one and the smaller one is also included. It instantly makes any setup look chic and can also be used as a jewelry tray. This shaker is also a recommendation. It has measurements on it and is incredibly handy for making pancakes. Just shake it up and pour. It's dishwasher safe, which is rare for a shaker. It's simple with no seals, but doesn't leak unless you shake it sideways. And then there's this pot lid, which is a must-have, right? I've mentioned it several times before, so I won't go into too much detail, but I'll say this much. If you don't have one yet, it might be a good idea to get it. Its space-saving quality is really something. Moving on to kitchen towels. IKEA's kitchen towels are not only affordable but also come in a wide variety. I always repurchase this one because it comes with a loop, making it easy to hang and therefore quite handy. Especially this RINNIG series in monochrome doesn't disrupt your interior design and looks really stylish. It comes in a set of 4. Next up is the apron. This one is made of polyester, which is lighter than fabric ones. The lightweight material feels like you're barely wearing it, which is great. It's this smooth polyester material that's also resistant to stains. I always thaw mine in the washer and dryer at own risk, and it's been fine. Plus, being polyester, it doesn't get wrinkly. Here we have the popular double wall glasses. They're great because they don't condensate as much. And then there's this simple glass, very popular as well. It's not POLYCKE, it's POKAL. POKAL, that's right. It's easy to hold because of the angles, and I think it was quite affordable. This glass is also very cute. A bit pricey for IKEA though. It's made in France and comes in a set of 4 colors. Glassware from IKEA is really nice. Once you get into it, it's a dangerous rabbit hole to fall into. Then there's this simple pair of scissors. They're really good, and even though I put them in the dishwasher every day, they're still going strong. Next, we have the POLYCKE storage. It's actually a hanging basket. Highly recommend it. I use it to store water bottles. Yes, water bottles. It's surprisingly sturdy and has a sponge-like sheet where it clamps, making it great for effectively utilizing storage space. Following that, we have the drawer for the fridge, which has been quite a game changer. It's not the type with clips on the top, but uses suction cups instead, so it doesn't interfere with anything on the upper shelf. I use it for sliced cheese. It's affordable too. I always hang things on this magnetic clip. Magnetic clips from IKEA are definitely recommended. Can you feel how strong these magnets are? They're incredibly useful, not just as clips, but also as hooks. The VARIERA shelf insert is another recommendation. It's sturdy steel, doesn't sag, and is great for the price. You can combine 2 types for adjustable lengths. You can divide the space inside the shelf from one end to the other. Next, let's talk about hangers. These pants hangers are only 99 yen and have a felt-like fabric in between, making them the best choice for pants hangers, in my opinion. I could not find it on the web at IKEA in the USA or UK. Is it actually not available in stores? It's a surprise. IKEA's sensor light is another long-time favorite. While other brands offer similar products, IKEA's design and price balance are exceptional. It's a 2-pack for this price, and the battery compartment is magnetized for easy access. I've been using it in my closet, and I haven't had to change the batteries in over a year. The response is quick, and being able to see everything in your closet is so convenient. They turn off automatically after a few minutes, but I wonder why they're not sold outside Japan. If you're looking for a quiet clock, IKEA's is recommended. It doesn't tick because it doesn't have a second hand, and the design is simple and timeless. But what's really surprising is the price. It's not radio controlled, so you might need to adjust the time about once a year. IKEA's curtains are also recommended. You can find hooks, rails, and hemming tape, all at IKEA for a great price. I've installed thermal blinds on the inside, or was it the outside? Anyway, IKEA's blinds and roller shades are unique because they use a pull type instead of a chain, making the room look neater and safer for homes with small children. Custom-sized roller shades can be expensive, but did you know IKEA offers cut-to-size roller shades? I'm thinking of trying it out sometime. Mirrors from IKEA are also affordable and stylish. This triangular natural material mirror is versatile and can be hung in 3 different ways. I've used pins for plasterboard to hang it. The Lindbein type is another favorite of mine. I use it in the living room. I like it, and it's modern. Good cost, performance, and I've just ordered a new mirror during the delivery campaign to install in my entryway. I'll show the setup in my next video. IKEA's rugs are high quality and cost-effective, durable enough for shoe-wearing cultures. I've been torn between the Stones and Volsleeve series. Followers often recommend these two. I chose Stones, but I would also like Volsleeve someday. But remember, the size of the rug can make or break a room's look. If you get the size right, IKEA is a great place to buy, especially during delivery campaigns because they're quite large. I've also bought a rug and will introduce it in my next video. If you like this video, hitting the like button would mean a lot to me. And if you have any recommendations, please share them in the comments. Thanks for watching until the end. See you in the next video soon.